Hello, So Obsessed friends. This is Jen.
And Jackie.
And we're here to show you a few of the little tote bag panels that we have online right now. Um, they're super, super cute and super, I think, easy to do. Kind of targeting maybe easy enough for so obsessed people like Larry and Jackie today. What do you
Yeah,
think,
right.
Jackie? Do you think you could
Well, let's hope so.
tackle one of these?
I
So
think so. It's small enough. I actually might finish it.
pretty cute. So it's Highland. This one is a Highland cow with some tartan accents to it. So Highland cow front and back. And all the instructions are on it. So it shows you everything you're going to need to know how to do. I think most of you are familiar with like these kind of sew together panels. I think this is really, really cute. It's got a pocket that goes on the inside, and then you can use like a fabric pen or, embroidery. Put your name on it or little one's name if you're going to give it away. I'm going to make one of these, but I'm not going to give it away. I'm going to keep it in my car as like a grocery bag.
Oh, yeah.
I could always
Mhm.
and what I like about it too is it's
Thick. It is really
not
thick.
like, really sturdy. So it's got some good body to it. So what do you think, Jackie? You think you
I
could?
think I could do that one.
Maybe we'll take a video of Jeff.
No, I don't know. Like, can you have a video that goes on for a year?
It won't take that long. Um, so yeah, that's the Highland cow. So we have a few of these online available. Here's the next tote panel that we have. It's Squishmallows. So to show you again, like the Highland cow, all your instructions are included on the bottom. So this is just a quick cutout, sew it together. It shows like, fold lines and stuff. It too has an inside pocket where you can put with a fabric pen, who the bag belongs to. I can see this as like, a little kid's sleepover bag,
Oh, yeah.
little school tote bag.
Going for their swim
Yeah.
to the pool.
Yeah, for sure. It's not as heavyweight as the Highland cow one. It's a little bit thinner, but I do think it's because we're expecting maybe smaller kids to use it. So just wanted to show you too. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but you can see there's outlines in the background of the little characters. And what do you think, Jackie? They look like they're on clouds.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, like you can see the unicorn and
Yeah,
the owl.
super, super cute. And what I like about this is, if you get some fabric pens or whatever, the kids can, go in and color
Sure, yeah.
little squishmallows that are on the background of the little clouds, and then they can customize it themselves. So yeah, just like a little fun, quick project. Get a little tote bag out of it, and you can see like, these really, really cute character cartoon faces and the bright colors. So with the Squishmallows, we also got the fabric line. So it is licensed by Jazwares, and it's Northcott Fabric House that is actually putting out the line. And so we have some of the line. I don't have it up on the store yet, but Jackie's just putting out the panel. So part of the line are a bunch of like really brightly colored fabrics. And this is the panel that goes with it. So as you can see, super, super rich colors, um, cute little characters. And in the line, it's the same kind of thing, like really bright characters. So I don't know, Jackie, what do you think? We'll cut a few fat quarter
Oh, I think so. Yeah.
bundles so that everybody can get like, a little taste of each of the fabrics. And then we'll have our standard 1 yard and 3 yard cuts available in this. So hopefully we'll get this up on the store over the next couple of days. But yeah, this is the Squishmallows line, and we're just showing the panel today and the bag, and it is by Northcott Fabric House. So I think that was all the panels we wanted to show you. We also have an Anna Maria Textiles tote bag that's been up for a little while as well. It's also a fabric panel bag. And Jackie just put out the Patchwork Duffle, the Patchwork Duffle pattern. So in one of our videos, we showed the Quilty Helpers line by Dear Stella, and we kind of talked about how, it would make a really interesting patchwork bag, to take on retreat or to put your sewing items in. And so this was the pattern that we talked about. So it's a quick little sew. It just takes some patchwork squares. You cut up the squares. The one that I made has Annie Soft and Stable. You use webbing, a zipper, and a few little key rings. It's a really well written pattern and easy to follow. What I like too is it's the second version, and there's also side pockets on it.
Oh, that's nice.
So really, really cute and quick pattern. So just a few of the little ideas that we have for some coats and some bag making supplies that we have online. We have some really cute zippers too.
Yes.
So we have the So Hungry Hippie straight zippers. We have some zipper packs from Sally Tomato.
Yeah.
So check those out on the website. So that's what we have for tote panels and bags for today. And so thanks for joining us. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and have a great day.